How to get Linktree QR code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Linktree QR code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply search for Linktree. You can directly head over to Linktree's website as well. It's linktre.ee. After you're on your Linktree, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you log in into your account, you should be on your admin page. You can directly head over to linktree/admin as well. After you're here, on the top right, you should find the share option. Tap on the share option. And after you tap on the share option, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find my Linktree QR code. Tap on it, and from there, you should get your Linktree. And it's basically that simple. Now, all you have to do is scan this and you're good to go. And that's how you can get Linktree QR code. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.